Hello, world. Welcome to Living by Abundance, where we learn the key principles and techniques for living life by abundance. Abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Join us as we dive into today's discussion. The secret to Silky Strands, benefits of conditioner and how to use it right for living by abundance. Conditioner is often the unsung hero of hair care routines. While shampoo gets all the attention for cleansing, it's conditioner that nourishes, smooths, and protects your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. When we talk about living by abundance, conditioner plays a perfect role. It's all about giving your hair the extra care it deserves to truly thrive. Let's dive into the benefits of conditioner and how to use it the right way, breaking it into 20 essential points that connect self-care for your hair with living abundantly.
Before we dive in, I want to share something that will help you manifest abundance even faster. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle. This bundle includes a 120-day affirmation ebook with 365 printable affirmation cards and a daily affirmation audio and video experience. All of this to help rewire your mindset for your Living by Abundance journey. It all starts with your mind, so get your bundle and start your transformation today at livingbyabundance.com. Now let's get into today's discussion.
1. Restores moisture. Conditioner's main function is to replenish moisture lost during shampooing and from environmental factors like sun exposure or dry air. It hydrates each strand, sealing in water and smoothing the cuticle to prevent dryness. Without conditioner, your hair can feel rough, look dull, and become prone to breakage. A good conditioner infused with nourishing ingredients like argan oil, shea butter, or aloe vera acts as a drink of water for thirsty strands. This aligns with living by abundance because replenishment, whether in hair or life, is vital to thriving. 2. Prevents breakage. Dry, brittle hair is fragile and more likely to break during brushing or styling. Conditioner strengthens the hair shaft by providing a layer of protection that reduces friction and tension. By coating the cuticle, it prevents tangling and snapping, allowing your hair to stay intact as it grows. Consistent conditioning also makes your hair more resilient to environmental and mechanical stressors like heat or wind. Living by Abundance emphasizes protecting and nurturing what we've worked hard to grow, whether it's our hair or other areas of our lives. 3. Smooths frizz. Frizz occurs when your hair's cuticle layer is raised, allowing moisture from the air to seep in and swell the strands. Conditioner smooths the cuticle, locking in hydration and creating a barrier that prevents humidity from causing frizz. Anti-frizz conditioners with ingredients like coconut oil, silk proteins, or avocado oil are especially effective for taming unruly hair. This results in sleek, polished locks that are easier to manage. Just like smoothing out life's rough edges, smoothing your hair with conditioner promotes a sense of calm and control, a cornerstone of abundant living. 4. Adds shine. Shiny hair reflects light because of its smooth, well-moisturized surface, and conditioner plays a key role in creating this effect. Ingredients like honey, argan oil, or vitamin E coat the hair, enhancing its natural gloss. Hair that lacks moisture often appears dull or lifeless, but conditioner revitalizes it, making it look vibrant and healthy. Shine isn't just about aesthetics. It's a visual sign of your hair's health. Living by Abundance encourages us to let our inner vitality shine outward, and glossy hair is a perfect metaphor for this. 5. Detangles hair. Tangles can cause stress and damage if not handled carefully, and conditioner makes detangling so much easier. It provides slip, a silky coating that reduces friction between strands, allowing your brush or comb to glide through with minimal resistance. This is especially crucial for long hair or textured hair, which are more prone to knots. Using conditioner to detangle prevents unnecessary breakage and saves time. Living by abundance means reducing obstacles and creating flow, both in your hair care routine and your life. 6. Protects against damage. Conditioner is your first line of defense against damage caused by heat styling, UV rays, and environmental pollutants. Many conditioners include proteins, keratin, or UV filters that create a protective barrier around each strand. This shield minimizes wear and tear, allowing your hair to remain healthier for longer. By protecting your hair, you're investing in its future health, a principle that aligns with living by abundance, which values sustainability and foresight in care. 7. Strengthens weak hair. Weak hair is more prone to breakage, but regular conditioning can rebuild strength over time. Formulas enriched with biotin, keratin, or amino acids repair the hair's internal structure, making it more elastic and resilient. This process helps fortify strands against daily stressors, ensuring they can withstand styling and environmental exposure. Stronger hair means fewer split ends, less shedding, and a fuller appearance. Strength is a key aspect of abundant living, and conditioner embodies this by fortifying your hair from the inside out. 8. Balances moisture for oily hair. Contrary to popular belief, oily hair still needs conditioner. A lightweight, oil-free conditioner can balance hydration without adding excess grease. Applying conditioner to the mid-lengths and ends rather than the roots ensures your hair gets the nourishment it needs without feeling heavy. This balance prevents overproduction of oil while keeping your strands soft and manageable. Living by abundance emphasizes balance in all areas of life, including hair care. 9. Enhances curl definition. Curly and coily hair types thrive on moisture, and conditioner provides the hydration needed to define and enhance natural curls. Ingredients like coconut oil, shea butter, or glycerin help reduce frizz and boost elasticity, making curls bouncy and well-shaped. Without enough moisture, curls can look limp or undefined, but conditioner keeps them vibrant and lively. Celebrating your natural texture is a powerful way to live authentically, which is a cornerstone of living by abundance. 10. Speeds up styling. Conditioned hair is easier to style because it's smoother, softer, and more cooperative. Blow drying or straightening takes less time when your hair is already hydrated and frizz-free. Conditioner also helps your hair hold its shape, whether you're curling it or leaving it sleek and straight. By saving time and effort, you create space for other priorities, embodying the abundant life principle of efficiency and ease. 11th. Reduces static. Static hair can be a nightmare, especially during the winter months when the air is dry. Conditioner prevents static by adding moisture and weight to your strands, neutralizing the effects of dry air or friction. Leave-in conditioners or anti-static sprays offer additional protection for particularly stubborn flyaways. Static-free hair is polished and manageable, contributing to a more confident appearance. Living by abundance means managing even the small details to ensure harmony and balance. 12th. Customizes your hair care. Conditioner allows for personalization based on your unique needs. From volumizing to color protecting or smoothing formulas, there's a conditioner for every goal. Tailoring your conditioner to your hair type and lifestyle ensures your routine works effectively for you. This customization reflects the abundant living mindset of intentionality and care in all areas of life. 13. Prolongs hair color. Color-treated hair needs extra protection to prevent fading, and conditioner designed for colored hair provides just that. These conditioners seal the cuticle, locking in pigment while adding hydration. UV filters in these products also shield your color from sun damage. Keeping your color vibrant and fresh ensures you feel confident and radiant, aligning with the Abundant Life's emphasis on self-expression. 14. Seals split ends. While conditioner can't repair split ends, it smooths them, making them less visible and preventing further splitting. This temporary fix keeps your hair looking healthier between trims. Smoothing split ends is a reminder that even small acts of care can make a significant difference, an important principle in living by abundance. 15. Improves scalp health. Scalp-friendly conditioners with ingredients like aloe vera or tea tree oil hydrate and soothe your scalp, preventing dryness or irritation. A healthy scalp is the foundation for strong, healthy hair growth. Conditioner nourishes not only your strands, but also the roots, ensuring your hair grows in an optimal environment. Living by abundance begins at the roots, whether it's your hair or your life. 16. Acts as a deep treatment. Weekly deep conditioning treatments offer intense hydration and repair for dry or damaged hair. These treatments penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, restoring softness and elasticity. Setting aside time for a deep conditioning session is an act of self-care, aligning with the Abundant Life's emphasis on prioritizing what matters. 17. Protects against chlorine. Swimming can wreak havoc on your hair, but conditioner creates a protective barrier that prevents chlorine from stripping your strands. Applying a leave-in conditioner before swimming minimizes damage and dryness, keeping your hair hydrated and healthy. Protecting your hair reflects the abundant mindset of safeguarding what you value. 18. Improves elasticity. Elasticity allows your hair to stretch without snapping, and conditioner is key to maintaining this flexibility. Hydrated hair is more pliable, reducing breakage and improving overall resilience. Elasticity is a metaphor for adaptability in life, making conditioner a small but powerful tool for cultivating abundance. 19th, enhances volume. Volumizing conditioners add body and lift without weighing hair down, perfect for fine or limp hair. Ingredients like rice protein or panthenol create structure and movement, enhancing your hair's natural beauty. Amplifying what you already have is a core principle of living by abundance, and volumizing conditioner helps you do just that. 20. Encourages mindful care. Using conditioner isn't just functional, it's a moment to slow down and practice self-care. Massaging it into your hair and rinsing it out mindfully can transform a mundane task into a ritual of gratitude and connection. Living by abundance encourages finding joy in everyday acts, and conditioning your hair is a perfect example of this philosophy. Conditioner is more than a finishing step in your hair care routine. It's a gateway to healthier, stronger, and more radiant hair. By understanding its benefits and using it intentionally, you're not just caring for your hair, you're embracing a practice that aligns with the abundant life. Let conditioner be a reminder that even the smallest acts of care can create big transformations, helping you live with confidence, balance, and joy every day.
Real quick, let me share something powerful that will support your journey of living by abundance. The Living by Abundance Ultimate Affirmation Bundle, a powerful 3-in-1 system designed to rewire your thoughts and attract confidence, wealth, health, and success into your life. Are you ready to transform your mindset, elevate your life, and manifest abundance every day in every area of your life? Yes, you can have abundance in every area of your life. This bundle includes everything you need to build an unstoppable mindset for living by abundance. A 120-day affirmation ebook with daily prompts to shift your mindset. 365 printable affirmation cards, one for each day of the year, ready to inspire you. 365 affirmations audio and video experience for daily reinforcement wherever you are. With this bundle, you'll cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude, strengthen self-love and confidence every single day, attract financial prosperity, and improve your health. boost focus, productivity, and motivation to crush your goals. This is a massive investment in yourself. Don't wait. Your life-changing mindset shift starts today. Get your Living by Abundance Ultimate Bundle and manifest the life you desire. Visit livingbyabundance.com and get your Ultimate Bundle and upgrade your journey to Living by Abundance today.
Did you enjoy learning with us? Don't miss out on future insightful videos for Living by Abundance. Hit those like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, we will continue to learn the key principles and techniques for living by abundance, abundant health, wealth, love, and care. Want more? Make sure to explore livingbyabundance.com to dive deeper into this and other topics and for more tips and techniques for living by abundance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to continue improving your personal growth and transformation on your journey to living by abundance. You're always welcomed at livingbyabundance.com. See you soon and keep living by abundance.